Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get free shipping on AliExpress. Here's how you can get free shipping on AliExpress using the AliExpress web app. The first thing you need to do is to launch your browser and go to the AliExpress website at aliexpress.com. You can use any browser of your choice. Then go ahead and click on the account icon at the top right of the website and log in with your credentials. That's if you have not logged in before. Then once logged in, use the search bar at the top corner to find the product you are interested in. Now I'm just going to use the all categories section. Head over to men's clothing. This is another way to find products. You can use the search bar, you can use the all categories. So let's say all categories, men clothing, and I'm just going to click on leather pants. And it's going to take me to this window where I have a couple of options. Now, after searching, look for the filter options in the left navigation panel or the left sidebar. You have a couple of options right here in the left sidebar. Now, the second option that you find in there is free shipping. So find the free shipping checkbox and check it to display only products that offer free shipping. Now, once you click on that, that's just going to be it. It's going to be refreshed. And as you can see, delivery options and services, free shipping. So it means all of these products here offer free shipping. Now, click on any product that interests you to view its details. So let's say I'm interested in this one and I want to view the details. So click on the product and it takes you to the order page. Now look for the shipping information under the product description to ensure it qualifies for free shipping. Okay, so this is it. And all of this thing. So scroll down, these reviews, specifications, and descriptions. And you have the buyer enter, you have this information as well. You have the shop. You may also you can head over here to see what it also looks like. And nobody's talking to you about delivery fee. It means this is really free shipping. But now it says this product can be shipped to your address. So select another product or address. And that is it. But then if there was a price attached to the shipping, you're going to see the shipping fee right next to it. So this is pretty much free shipping. Now, sometimes using coupons can help you get free shipping. So you can look for available coupons on the product page, any product page. If there are available coupons, look for the coupons under the coupon section and just click on claim to claim it, or click on get to get it. Now, some memberships or loyalty programs may offer free shipping as a perk. So check if there are any available programs you can join. And when browsing, you can often find specific sellers who consistently offer free shipping. Keep an eye on seller ratings and reviews as well. During sales, events, or promotions, many sellers offer free shipping as part of the deal. So check the homepage for any ongoing sales. And if possible, combine multiple products from the same seller to qualify for free shipping, as many sellers offer this option for orders over a certain amount. Now go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.